A Toro 60-volt leaf blower cutting out on turbo mode is caused by battery voltage drop, triggering the low-voltage protection circuit. Replacing a degraded battery pack or cleaning the terminal contacts restores full power capacity. Turbo mode demands the highest amperage draw from the battery. When lithium-ion cells age or face extreme temperatures, their internal electrical resistance increases. Pushing the turbo button forces a massive power surge, and increased resistance causes the voltage to drop below the safe operating threshold. The blower's electronic control unit detects this sudden drop and shuts off the motor to prevent catastrophic battery failure or a potential fire risk. Testing this requires observing the battery indicator lights immediately after a shutoff. If the lights flash or show a single blinking bar, the control board has engaged the low-voltage cutoff. A fully charged battery that drops to a single flashing light under heavy load has lost its capacity to sustain high discharge rates. Clean the metal contact terminals on both the battery and the blower using electrical contact cleaner and a stiff nylon brush. Dirt and corrosion add resistance to the circuit, mimicking a dying battery. Apply a light coating of dielectric grease to prevent future oxidation. If the terminals are clean and the tool still cuts out on turbo, the battery pack has permanently degraded cells and must be replaced with a fresh Toro 60-volt unit.